Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sara. Today I am gonna be opening my bouncy ball. Now this bouncy ball is like it is a little bit squishy and it is clear. Like the base of it is clear. You can see through, and there is a bunny inside. If you are a kid, don't do this at home. Because I'm going to be using some knife. I'm going to be using a knife and a pair of scissors. So don't do this at home without an older person, because it can be super dangerous. You can cut off your hand, and I have parental supervision, so I am safe. But do not do this. This is only for entertainment, okay? But this is the time where it has to just cut open, and yeah, it is super bouncy as well. I'm not gonna show you, or maybe this is super duper bouncy. I'm gonna get this, but I still love it. I love the bunny inside. But I'm also very excited to cut open this. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I just wanted you guys to have a look at my ball. I'm super nervous and really sad too, because I really love this ball and now it's gonna be destroyed. So first I'm gonna start off with my knife. Hold on. This is the knife, and I am gonna try not to cut my fingers, or I'm not so as you can see a line in between the ball, so I'm gonna cut from there. As you can see, there's some chunks of powder, or I don't know, just grass. Hello. I cut open my ball, and this is what it looks like. And I'm not happy about it because it is all now ruined, and I don't know if it will bounce anymore because it's not a ball. So I'm going to show you the pink side first. The pink side is inside is more like jelly and squishy, which is not good, and it has crumbs on it like this. So the bunny is still in there, and it is still transparent, which is super cool. And the legs of the bunny are here. So I hope the bunny gets out, but I don't think it will. It's not bouncy now. So guys, I'm gonna take out the bunny that is inside. I think I should do this way. Maybe I think I should use my hands. Oh, I got it! It was easy. I'm gonna get this off. Ooh, that is super cute. So guys, as you can see, the bunny is actually plastic, and there is a mold of bunny now, because it was because I kept this ball for several years, I guess. And the pink part is just gross. There's a very cute mold of the bunny, and super cute is the bunny. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I actually enjoyed this. It was a full fun fact and adventure, opening my happy and wonderful ball, which was super sad for me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and like, comment and share. I would really appreciate that. And before you go, I'm not just make you guys let you guys get a last look. The pink part and the clear part. I can actually like put the bunny back. So bye guys.